How's it going, YouTube? Welcome back. This is another video for the House Money Investing channel, and I got some great stocks picks for you here. These are 3 comeback stocks to buy for 2021, where boring is beautiful. First, we got Intel, INTC. Then we got International Business Machines, IBM, and AT&T, ticker T. AT&T is the telecom service. They got the streaming platform with the Warner Brothers, which will up the revenue. Then, of course, IBM and Intel both make semiconductor chips and software components of such. They both been beaten down here lately, and they will be comeback plays for 2021 alongside AT&T. And AT&T is also a great dividend payer. And then we have 5 high yield dividend stocks to watch. We got Medical Properties Trust, ticker MPW, Verizon Communications, ticker VZ, Orange SA, ticker ORAN, and MPLX LP, ticker MLXP, is a master limited partnership, MLP, created by Marathon Petroleum, MPC, and then you got Sunco, ticker SUN. So these are going to be some great plays, some 5 high yield dividend stocks. So these are 5 you want to watch. MPW is a medical REIT trust. This thing has been up. It was beaten down about 20, 30%, 35% during the pandemic. It has recovered itself. It typically grows, pretty well. About 16% a year, to be honest with you. And this thing pays a nice dividend of 4.96%. So this is going to be a nice monthly paying dividend with great upside. It's got a great PE ratio of 25, $11 billion market cap, 13 analyst buy ratings, 85% buy ratings, killing EPS. I am personally in this already. I did a swing trade back in July and August on this play. So I have, I already have an established position here. And it's a self-advised real estate investment trust which engages in investment, acquisition, and development of net leased healthcare facilities. It has rehabilitation hospitals, long-term acute care hospitals, ambulatory surgical centers, hospitals for women and children, regional and community hospitals, medical office buildings, and other single disciplines centers. And this company's been out since 2003. So a nice exposure to the healthcare sector through a REIT. And then, of course, you got Verizon. Verizon is also a telecom company. They have some great service and things of that nature. And then Sunco, Marathon, and Orange SA. Don't want to go too deep into those. I have already, went over those in previous videos. But I just gave you, a nice little briefer on MPW. Next here, from what I see, Los Angeles is set to boom. In my opinion, these REITs will benefit. You got Kelroy Realty, ticker KRC, and Excess Properties Trust, ticker ESS. Both of these are going to be great monthly dividend payers. Go ahead and take a deeper dive into these REITs and see what they're about. I really think they're going to have a very good upside as California will be on a bounce back in 2021. Then I got some more stock picks here. We got Apple, ticker APPL, due to the Apple TV. Then we got Amazon, ticker AMZN, due to Amazon Prime. Then we got Disney Plus. These are just streaming services for these companies, which Disney's ticker is DIS. Set to increase content spend dramatically between now and 2024. And it's December Investor Day. Disney doubled its 2024 content spend expectations. This will force other services who are competing for customers to up their spending and provide a competitive offering. Then we got ticker T. We got HBO Max streaming, Hulu. Another great company is Netflix, ticker NFLX. And then we got CBS Viacom, ticker VIAC. And Peacock, this is Comcast, ticker CMCSA. So take a look into those as well. Streaming is a big deal, and all these companies will benefit from that. Then I got 2 hyper growth blue chips for rich retirement: the great Google and the great Facebook. So these are 2 plays you want to get into that can hold you down for when you accomplish financial independence and retire early. So these are the 2 of the companies you want to have in your portfolio, for that type of investment strategy. Then here got just a little thing about Apple. They basically began paying a dividend payout long before it had over $2 billion in cash. Then Texas Instruments, ticker TXN, has a policy of paying out 100% of FCF over time as buybacks and dividends. So you want to look into Apple, great stock to have, and also Texas Instruments, TXN, both great dividend payers. And in my opinion, Google and Facebook will become the top 2 dividend payers amongst the great dividends that are out. And Apple and Texas Instruments are just prime examples of what these Apple and what Facebook and Google will become. Then we got some swans, super swans, and ultra swans. We got Bristol Myers, BMY, Altria, ticker MO, Dividend King, Coca-Cola, KO, another Dividend King, General Dynamics, GD, which is GD is actually a dividend aristocrat. So these are some great dividend passive income plays you want to look into as well. Then we got some more swans, super swans, and ultra swans. We got an automatic data processing, ADP, which is a dividend aristocrat. We got Visa, ticker V, Intuitive Surgical, ticker ISRG, Canadian National Railway, ticker CIN, Home Depot, ticker HD, and Amazon, ticker AMZN. So these are also some plays you want to take a look at. Then we have 2 more plays here, ticker BAM and ticker BPY, Brookfield Assets Management Inc. and Brookfield Property Partners LP. You want to take a look at these companies and look at the news that's going on with these guys. Some major things happening at the moment. Then just a suggestion here: if you got $3,000, here's the 3 stocks you should buy and hold long term. First one, Starbucks, ticker SBUX. Second one, Coca-Cola, ticker KO. Some great dividend plays here. And Amazon, ticker AMZN. $3,000, $1,000 in each of these stocks. Hold them for the long term, and I guarantee you'll be safe. Then we got 2021's best SPAC idea is Aerosol, ticker ASLE. We got last year's SPAC picks, which were Wide Open West, ticker WOW. It's up 54% compared to the S&P 500, which is up about 15%. I invest in SPY, ticker SPY. You can take a look at that. It tracks the S&P 500, so always a good play there. Then we got some aerospace airline stocks, ticker AIR. Then we got AerCap, ticker AER. Then the last thing I got for you guys, gold and silver see solid price gains above 1900 to start 2021. So you want to get into your precious metals, physical. You want to own physical gold and silver, as well as get some physical, get some gold and silver shares. Some that track these movements, as well as some gold and silver miners. I invest in them. I've mentioned them on this channel before, and yeah. So that's my stock picks for today. That's just some more stock picks. My previous video, I went over about almost 80 ETFs to take a look at, and these are some nice stocks to take a look at for you guys. Most of these, if not all of these, I already own, and most of them, if not all of them, I will be adding to my watch list or re-adding to my watch list if they're not even there. These are all great companies and all companies I see doing well. If you like this video, hit the like button. Subscribe, hit the bell, follow my journey. I really appreciate it, you guys. Thank you.